Insta360 has spent years building cameras that go anywhere with you, 360-degree action pocket-sized. Now the company is stepping into territory it has never touched before, and the first images that leaked out show something nobody expected. A proper interchangeable lens camera with real dials, a real lens mount, and internal hardware that hints at serious video muscle. The camera is white, minimalist, built without a bulky grip, and it is already dividing opinion online before anyone has even held it. What makes this even bigger is that Insta360's own founder has confirmed there isn't just one camera coming, there are two, and one of them is described as having a shape nobody has ever considered before. If you want to know exactly what Insta360 is building, what specs it's expected to carry, and what it means for the entire camera industry, stay till the end. And if you're new here, hit like, subscribe, and share this video before we go any further. Insta360 has built its entire identity around action cameras, 360-degree capture, and pocket gimbals, and that strategy has worked well, but it also boxes the company into a category that is starting to feel crowded and predictable. Every rival in that space is chasing the same customer with the same kind of product, and there is only so much room left to grow. A mirrorless camera changes that equation completely. It puts Insta360 in front of a much bigger audience of photographers and videographers who have never bought an Insta360 product before, and it gives the brand a foothold in a market worth far more than action cameras alone. There is also a credibility angle here. Action cameras are often seen as a secondary purchase, something people buy alongside a real camera, and stepping into mirrorless is Insta360's way of saying it wants to be seen as a serious camera maker, not just an accessory brand. Add to that the company's strength in computational imaging, AI processing, and software-driven features, and a mirrorless camera becomes the perfect place to show off everything Insta360 already does well, this time backed by a bigger sensor and real hardware to match. The leaked images give the clearest look yet at what Insta360 is actually building, and the details point to a camera that is being taken seriously inside the company. The body follows a traditional SLR-style shape, but with Insta360's own minimalist white finish that instantly sets it apart from the black-dominated mirrorless market. What stands out most is the presence of physical control dials, including what looks like a dedicated aperture wheel and an exposure compensation dial, paired with a front command dial, giving photographers the kind of tactile control that action camera users never had before. There is no built-in viewfinder in the leaked design, and instead the camera leans on a large, fully articulating touchscreen as the main way to frame and review shots. Underneath that body sits a real lens mount, one that appears fully electronic, meaning autofocus and aperture control should work seamlessly with existing glass from established lens makers, rather than forcing buyers to start an entirely new lens collection from scratch. Rounding out the leak are dual microphones and noticeably large internal heat sinks, both of which hint at the exact kind of extended video performance we'll dig into shortly, rather than a stills first body with video bolted on as an afterthought. What makes this even bigger is that Insta360 is working on not one but two mirrorless cameras, confirmed directly by the company's founder. The two are being built with completely different identities. One matches everything already leaked, a traditional interchangeable lens body with a real mount and physical dials, aimed at creators who want a familiar shooting experience. The second is the one generating real curiosity, described as having a shape nobody has ever considered before, something that could genuinely change how people frame, focus, and shoot. That points to Insta360 rethinking what a camera can even look like, likely leaning on the same AI-driven software strengths we'll get to shortly. Together, these two cameras show a company making a real calculated push into mirrorless. Based on the leaks so far, expect a 20-megapixel micro four thirds sensor, likely the same Sony-made chip already used in OM Systems' top-tier bodies, promising strong autofocus and reliable image quality. Video is where this camera is expected to shine. The dual microphones and large heat sinks in the leaked design point to extended 4K or higher, recording without overheating. Creators are hoping for strong in-body stabilization, an area Insta360 already excels at, plus the fully articulating screen already spotted in the leaks. Fast, reliable autofocus with subject tracking is another must, along with solid battery life and heat management for long recording sessions. And on the software side, there's real anticipation for Insta360's AI-driven tools, intelligent framing, stabilization processing, and tight app integration, features that could set it apart from OM System or Panasonic. The audience Insta360 is going after with this camera isn't the traditional mirrorless buyer who has spent years building a lens collection and comparing megapixels and dynamic range charts. It's the content creator who already lives inside Insta360's ecosystem, the vlogger, the travel creator, the social first shooter who wants a camera that feels as intuitive as their phone, but delivers image quality their phone simply can't match. These are people who care about a fully articulating screen for framing selfies and vlogs, who want strong video performance out of the box without digging through menus, and who are drawn to a design that looks different from every black-bodied camera already on the market. At the same time, the interchangeable lens mount opens the door to a slightly more serious crowd too, hybrid shooters who want the flexibility of swapping lenses without committing to a full professional system, and who might be tempted away from entry-level mirrorless cameras by a brand they already trust for its software and computational imaging strengths. This is exactly the crowd whose spec wish list we're about to walk through, because Insta360 isn't guessing what these creators want, it already knows. Stepping into Micro Four Thirds puts Insta360 up against OM System and Panasonic, two brands with years of refinement behind their compact, lightweight systems. OM System is known for rugged builds and strong stabilization, while Panasonic has built a loyal following with video-focused bodies. Insta360 doesn't have their lens history or professional reputation, but it does have something they don't: a massive creator audience that already trusts it for video-first products. Its real edge isn't specs, it's software, computational features, and a design language built for creators rather than traditional photographers. There's also GoPro to consider, now pushing into similar territory with a modular action camera that accepts Micro Four Thirds lenses, blurring the line between action cameras and mirrorless. Insta360 isn't just joining an existing race, it's positioning itself at the intersection of two markets, and its final specs will decide how well that bet pays off. Insta360 hasn't confirmed pricing, but its positioning and expected hardware point to somewhere in the $1,000 to $2,000 range for the body, depending on configuration and which model launches first, placing it squarely in premium territory rather than entry-level. On timing, Insta360's leadership has pointed to a possible prototype reveal at CP Plus in February 2027, one of the industry's biggest camera trade shows. A prototype showing doesn't mean an immediate launch, though, so expect the full release later in 2027 once both cameras are ready for mass production. Until then, expect the leaks to keep coming. What makes this story so compelling isn't just that Insta360 is building a mirrorless camera, it's the scale of ambition behind it. This isn't a side experiment or a one-off product test. It's a calculated move by a company that has already proven it knows how to read what creators want, right down to the sensor, stabilization, and software features being rumored. Two cameras, two completely different identities, and a founder openly teasing a shape nobody has seen before all point to a brand that wants to redefine expectations rather than simply join an existing race. Whether Insta360 can turn that ambition into a camera that actually delivers on its expected specs and competes with established mirrorless players remains to be seen. But one thing is clear, the camera industry is about to get a lot more interesting. Keep this channel close because as soon as more leaks surface, we'll be breaking them down first.